Okay guys, so today we're gonna take a look at the cable section of the bridge. They have already installed 5 strands of the cables that will be holding up the cable section of the bridge. So we are here on the east bank section of the bridge. As you can see there at the bottom is the east bank road, the double lane road. Vehicles lining up to go over the Demerara floating bridge. So the high span bridge is going right across, is a overpass of the east bank road, and it will be going all the way to the Heroes Highway. So as you can see from this video, work is ongoing 24/7. Over 200 workers are working on the bridge simultaneously on both sides of the bridge. So as you can see here, it's at Nandi Park, and in the background you can see the Princess Ramada Hotel is right there, and work is going on the bridge as we are flying over to take a closer look of the construction of the new Demerara bridge, high span cable bridge. So this blue equipment is used to transfer the girders to the beams, and those are the 2 main columns where the strands of the cables will be attached to hold up that section of the bridge. So we'll be going closer to the bridge to see what is going on there and how work is progressing on the cable section of the bridge. As you can see here, this is one of the pairs of the main columns where the cables are being attached on both sides to hold up the weight of the bridge, and 5 strands on each section has already been installed. As they are casting the girders that will be the foundation of the road on the bridge, they are placing the cables to hold up the weight of the bridge. We'll be taking a closer look at the next section and see how work is progressing. So that red equipment is where the concrete is being poured. The concrete is poured and the cables are attached when it's cured. So this is taking place continuously as the work on the bridge progresses.